I traveled from a sub-zero Chicago snowstorm to a steamy, hot Caracas rain. Then a 2-day drive through the Venezuelan countryside where Spanish sounded like a song. Daytime consisted of hours chopping trail through greenery thick as the wall of China, my machete becoming an extension of my hand. Thwack, 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 mixed with the noises of foreign animals screeching, crying, calling out, either for their mates or as warnings of danger. Water, 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 the Amazonian rainforest, the water cycle on overdrive. Rain drips from my hand, forming a trail down the blade of the machete, dropping to mix with the mud on the ground. Mist nets rise through the cut trail. Droplets cling to the webbing as early morning water vapor rises from the ground and oozes from the gigantic trees. Mold grows on my body. Orange, red, gold, and green, all the colors mixed in feathers captured in our nets. Silver rings with numbers squeezed upon tiny stick legs, and then swish, swoosh, flutter, strong wing beats, and then gone with the hope that we may see these colors again. Will we? Growling, groaning, and roaring, the machinery finds its way through the green wall. Gigantic trees become like the stick legs where we place silver rings numbered in hope, but the trees are numbered for destruction. Returning home, sitting in my dining room, staring at beautiful wavy patterns upon a mahogany table and chairs. I eat in my home, while the tiny winged colors cannot find their fallen home.